See if they can hear the pager tones here.
Christensen Ambulance, Bristol Fire Department.
And set the sirens off, see if we can hear it out here. Bristol's over here about 5 miles. Huh.
One fire.
Scratchy.
Roslyn Fire acknowledging page. Mr. Roslyn Fire. Did you copy the page?
She's cutting out. Bristol doesn't copy.
Moving on to Webster Fire.
To Webster Fire, page acknowledged. Also reminder of important meeting tonight. Bring all tickets, please.
10 for Webster Fire, reminder of important meeting tonight. Bring all tickets to the meeting. Recalling Webster Wabash Fire.
Bristol must have got down.
Calling Bristol Fire. Thank you, Bristol Fire. We will now activate the sirens for the siren test for the month.
See if we'll hear it out here. It's windy. We might be able to. We'll wait for the tones. That's Webster's. All right. See if we can hear it. See if we can hear the sirens from here. See if we can hear Webster's. God, it's so windy out here. I can hear a distance of them going off somewhere. It's windy though. I don't think the microphone can pick it up, but I can hear it. A little faint noise. Over that way is Bristol. Webster's over that way. Hope you enjoyed the pager tests, you siren enthusiasts. Ugh, I'm tired. Can't hear it. Nope, they're shut down by now. It's been pretty dark everywhere.